Ever dreamt of ditching the 9-to-5 grind and making money from the comfort of your home? Imagine earning cash while lounging in your pajamas or sipping coffee at your favorite cafe. Sounds incredible, right? Well, it's not just a dream. In today's video, we're revealing 5 proven ways to earn money online in 2024 that could transform your financial future. Whether you're a side hustler or ready for a full-time shift, these methods are your ticket to online success. Stay tuned till the end because you don't want to miss out on the secrets we've got for you. First up, let's talk about freelancing. This is how I got my start, and to this day, it's still one of the most popular ways to make money online. Why? Because it gives you the ultimate freedom and flexibility. With freelancing, you are your own boss. You choose your clients, set your rates, and work whenever you want, wherever you want. Now, there are tons of platforms out there connecting skilled individuals like you with clients worldwide. Think Upwork, Fiverr, Freelancer. They're like the digital marketplaces for freelancers. And the best part, they cater to almost any skill imaginable. Whether you're a writing whiz, a design guru, a coding ninja, or a marketing mastermind, there's a market for your talents. But here's the thing, standing out from the crowd is key. You need a killer profile that screams professionalism and showcases your expertise. Highlight your skills, showcase your portfolio, and don't be afraid to charge what you're worth. Remember, you're providing value, so don't undervalue yourself. Trust me, freelancing is a fantastic way to break free from the 9-to-5 grind, be your own boss, and build a career on your own terms. Let's talk about a way to make money literally while you sleep: affiliate marketing. This is where you partner with businesses and promote their products or services to your audience. And the best part? You earn a commission for every sale made through your unique referral link. It's like having your own army of salespeople working for you 24/7. Now you might be thinking, Graham, where do I even find these affiliate programs? Well, there are tons of networks out there like Amazon Associates, Share a Sale, and ClickBank that connect you with a vast pool of products to promote. Whether you're passionate about tech gadgets, fashion, or even pet supplies, there's an affiliate program for you. But here's the key to success in affiliate marketing: authenticity. You've got to genuinely believe in the products you're promoting. Your audience can spot a fake from a mile away, so choose products that you actually use and love. Create valuable content that educates, entertains, or solves a problem for your audience. With the right strategy, consistency, and a sprinkle of patience, you'll be amazed at the passive income you can generate. Have you ever thought, I know a lot about something, maybe I can teach it? You absolutely can, and make serious money. Create and sell online courses or ebooks. Package your knowledge into a digital product. Platforms like Udemy and Teachable make it easy. Record videos, upload presentations, and create resources. For ebooks, use Amazon Kindle Direct Publishing. Do your research first. Identify what your audience wants to learn. Are there gaps in the market you can fill? Understand your target audience. Craft high-quality, engaging content. Use social media and email marketing to drive sales. Ever dreamed of running your own online store without the hassle of inventory, storage, or shipping? That, my friends, is the beauty of dropshipping. It's like having a virtual warehouse at your fingertips. You list products for sale, and your supplier takes care of the rest. They package and ship the product directly to your customer. Platforms like Shopify make it user-friendly, even for beginners. Choose from stunning themes and customize your store. Integrate seamlessly with dropshipping apps like Oberlo. Find reliable suppliers with high-quality products and fast shipping. Drive traffic and convert visitors into paying customers. Dropshipping is a fantastic way to break into e-commerce with minimal investment. If you've got something to say and you love saying it, this one's for you. Content creation is all about sharing your passions, knowledge, or creativity with the world and building a loyal audience along the way. And the best part, you can turn your passion into profit. Now, content creation comes in many forms. You could be a YouTube sensation, a Twitch streaming star, a podcasting pro, a blogging extraordinaire. The possibilities are endless. The key is to choose a platform that aligns with your strengths and interests. But how do you stand out in the sea of content creators? It's all about finding your niche, your unique angle, your voice. What makes you different? What value can you offer that others don't? Once you've started building your audience, it's time to explore monetization strategies. Content creation is a long game, but with dedication, consistency, and a genuine passion for what you do, you can build a successful online business by simply being yourself. And there you have it, 5 proven ways to earn money online in 2024. Each method offers unique opportunities to generate income, whether you're looking for a side hustle or a new career path. Choose the one that resonates with you and start taking steps towards your online success today. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tips and tricks on making money online. Share your thoughts and questions in the comments below. We'd love to hear how you plan to earn money online.